the subject of taking everything for granted. I've just heard the landing gear went down and locked in position. So that will be generating a bit of drag and slowing us down. And I'm sitting too far in front of the wings to see them all opening up. So they're creating a lot of drag as well, man. In the cockpit, the captain will be getting the 400, 300, and all that type of stuff. But today's mission is, I think we'll be landing about 200 knots, 220 knots. So let's count down from when the wheels hit the tarmac. Hear the thrust reverse in the engines to get more or less stationary. Are you up for that game? And did I say the air smells funny about you? I can feel my allergies kicking up. Right, so here we go, let's wait for the thump, right? Go! Right. There's the thump, thrust reverse on in the engine, so you can see it. Right, so that's throwing the power from the turbine back away. So we've just decelerated from what, 180 to 200 knots to, what's it right? Where we go? 10 or 15 miles an hour in a matter of 15 or 20 seconds. Yeah, we take it all for granted. Unbelievable stuff, eh? Oh, sounds as if we need a bit of WD-40. Sounds as if I need some Vicks Sinex nasal spray to go over the air that is in Edinburgh. Oh, what's happening over there? Guys training, putting the fire. Anyway, thanks for watching the terrible videos.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Edinburgh. 5 minutes ahead of schedule.